This video shows a comparison of animal populations. So 30K polar bears, 35K platypus, 130K hippopotamus, bro. That's insane. 600,000 dolphins, 3 million alpacas, bro. Okay, so I almost have 3 million alpacas sub to me if they were all humans. 14.1 million kangaroos, 60 million horses, bro. That is insane. Elephants, 400 million. I wonder how much the combined weight of all of the elephant population would be. Cattle, almost a billion. Not bad. Goats, 1.2 billion. Rats, 6.5 billion. And 7.8 billion humans. There's more chickens in the world than humans? Wow. That is insane. Antarctic krill, 500 trillion. Subscribe with notices on, and always remember, Yeshua is king.